Hi guys, welcome to Straight to the Point. I decided to take all the videos I had on testing this active fuel management from test 2 all the way up to every single test I've done. I've gathered a little library of videos here if you want to take a look and see what that unit's doing. It's been running great. So that being said, with active fuel management, what I've noticed is, like I say, we're burning about, on low, we're burning about 3 liters every 12 hours, and the burn chamber is fairly clean. So even running with old stale diesel still works great. So enjoy some of the videos you see attached onto here, and let me know in the comments what you like, what you want to see, and like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. Thank you.
Just turn it up. Of course, this thing reads hertz, but that telling me that adjusting the pump and then it's correlating the RPM of the fan according to that. We're not going off that hertz. We're going off the module hertz on this unit. And once it gets to its set point, what'll happen is we'll to the complete burn for oxygen. Ooh, that's warm, so it should be starting pretty soon here. The output is hot. Wow. Any second now. No, that's uncomfortable. Keep the hand that far away from it. That's crazy. Alright, we should be starting to go rich now. Good hertz coming out. I gotta get a display on this thing to see what the actual output is. Beautiful heat. Incredible how well this thing puts out. There we go. We have reached the mixing point. So I did get an overheat, but I noticed that I had left this on. So this makes a difference on the output of the heater itself. We're going to crank it right down to low. Let's see what we get here. A bit of black smoke coming down on decel. Let's run her on low. Okay, for information's sake, I actually got a chance to look at the hertz on it, and we're running at 6.8 to 7 hertz right now with the output of this heater. Maximum of 9. Am I maxed out? Yeah, that's right to the top. So that's fan speed of 5,000, I'm assuming. I'd have to verify that. But it's mixing and regulating at 6.8 to 7 hertz. Excuse me. On high. So the heat coming out here is beautiful. Still got to measure the case temperature. 6.8 to 7 hertz. That's awesome. That is awesome. At least I know what it is now. Alright guys, third time running this. You can see my module's changed up a little bit. Of course, give you a breakdown on the module itself a little bit. We have our O2 sensor input. We have our glow plug, weight light, fan. Our stock signal coming from the controller. Calculated module signal and actual pump signal going out. So basically what happens is when the glow plug starts up, we monitor the glow plug, turn on our weight light, our fan. Once we see a fan signal and the glow plug is turned off, we wait 120 seconds, 2 minutes, and then what we do is we disable the signal coming from the stock unit and enable the signal coming from my module. So we're running system and stock. We're still in weights. We're running off standard pulse width modulation. Let's check our CO pipe. Stock CO's around. Trying to find the sweet spot. Peaked there at 80, but we're around the 20-ish mark. Well, she's leaned out some. Right now we're in open loop, rubbing off the module itself. So the presets are running. Let's see what we get when it, now it took over. Let's see what we get for CO on low. Oh, the heat come up big time. We should have taken a reading on heat. Running on low. 102C. Let it get into the let it find its sweet spot. Stabilize here. That's pretty close to stabilization. Okay, since we're regulating, running lean to nominal, a little bit rich. Let's take a look at our CO. Right now we're at 0 in here.
find a sweet spot. Come on, where are you? Too hot, it'll melt in the sensor. Looks like when we go rich. Oh, sensor's reading lean. So when we go rich, we're dumping some CO in there, so we can actually fine tune it. All right, they're running now for 59 hours. I think I'll shut her down, and we'll disassemble this and see what it looks like after 59 hours. So just to give you an update, the O2 sensor is still going strong. It's been running now for probably over a week. Uh, with that in mind, any contamination that was going to happen should have plugged it up and destroyed it by now. But I'm thinking since we're running hot enough, we're not having any problems with the O2. I did drop it down in the exhaust tube a little bit more. That being said, I don't know if that was the correct thing to do at the time. I am seeing a little bit of soot buildup on the base of it. We'll have some pictures that I'll post in here as well in regards to that following the next videos and so forth. But the next step now is to start seeing what we can do with this and see what the oxygen sensor can handle by running multiple pumps with a burn chamber that's modified. So stay tuned for that as well. Thanks for watching.